Can I tell you something from the bottom of my heart? Mitral valve. You're welcome.
Stupid, stupid, stupid.
All right, it is that time again. We're here packing, super fun.
As soon as we got back here, the sun came out. We were working this morning, sweating our butts off, loading up a bit, and then we went to get something to eat. Leave the restaurant, it's like cloudy and cool down. We arrive here and the sun's beaming.
Yeah.
Of course.
She's blazing hot again. So yeah, we put that in so far. Then we came here hungry, so we had to leave.
Yeah.
Had a pizza, pretty good. There's Sam, working away.
Good helper.
Sam's got her maple syrup buckets.
We have lots of these. Whoops.
We're getting almost on that one.
Yeah. Getting full in here.
Good packing, eh?
Yeah. This is the I'm packing and I don't care.
Yeah.
Good girl.
And the other one, I got tires and stuff too, eh? Mm-hmm. Right?
Yeah.
We'll just leave those.
Yeah, well, I think the TV's over there and a couple tables and stuff we can bring.
But we'll leave the tires and stuff.
Yeah.
Because we gotta swap them out soon anyway.
Yeah.
I think the packing job is getting worse.
Yeah, I know, right? We're coming to the end. Getting lazy.
So much fun, we're gonna move in tomorrow.
Yeah. Okay, we're here at the new house. How exciting.
Oh man, this is cool.
So cool. This is finally ours.
Yeah, we're gonna
This is
open.
probably gonna be the best day of my life.
Yeah.
So we're gonna open it up.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
The hidden key.
Sweet. First order of business here. These are wrong. You wanna grab that one? Oops, I got all wound up. The nation is supposed to be to the left.
There you go. It's all better.
Yeah, that's how to have it right there. That's the correct way.
Here we go.
Couldn't do it until we owned it.
Yeah. Welcome home.
Nice.
Yay!
It's how echoey.
Aw.
Sweet. Gift pack from a realtor. She's super good realtor.
Yeah.
So I guess we gotta move, eh?
We unload.
Hey, what's this?
Here's a card.
Card for us, cool. All right,
Oh,
well,
and flowers.
very nice.
That must be from the owners.
Sweet. All right, let's,
Welcome to your new home.
nice,
That's cool, with some flowers.
cool.
That's lovely.
Sweet.
Yeah, that's from the owners. The past owners of this house.
Yeah.
That's cool, they
nice.
left us that.
All right, well, I'm gonna go
Unload.
start unloading, I guess, eh? So we can relax here in a little bit.
Yeah. busy day. It has been a hot, steamy day, and we're finally just about done. Last box.
Love it.
Yay! Glad to be done and go inside and make our beds and organize some stuff. Yay!
Yeah.
How exciting.
That's sweet. So,
Now we gotta go return this beast.
yep.
So earlier when we were oh, there's deer right now. Look, back at the cornfield. Deer right there.
Oh, yeah.
I was just about to say earlier when we were eating, we saw deer. There they go, again. This is our view in the backyard.
Love it.
Beautiful. There was a mom with a couple babies, and the babies were leaping through the long grass. It was super cute. Look at her shaking her head.
Yeah.
So cool.
Like that.
Oh yeah. Throw them back there for now. Deal
The
with that
cats
another
kind
day.
of had a rough trip over.
So I gotta clean them out. Do it another day, not tonight.
Yeah. So
We gotta go get
those get cleaned. Like Sam actually cleaned them up very nice,
Yeah, we cleaned them before we put the cats in
and
them.
then catching in them, and then
Instantly barfed
yeah.
and
So,
pooped.
yeah.
It was fun.
Look at this view.
Beautiful.
Watching deer in the field. It's awesome. Love it. So, we're a steamy, hot mess.
Yeah, we gotta go return the U-Haul and pick up the Jeep and a bunch more stuff at the camper, and then we can come back here and just kind of like relax for the evening, even though
Yeah.
it's already like 8 o'clock in the evening.
Yeah, it's pretty, just kind of boxes and stuff right now in there.
Yep.
You got a bed in there though?
Yes.
Gotta set up Sam's.
No, Sam's good. She'll
Oh.
sleep in the spare bed. It's
There
already
you go.
ready for her, and we just need to find some bedding, and our bed's ready.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're good for the night.
So next step, other we get some stuff left in one storage unit. We'll
Yes.
just get with the truck. So.
Yeah, over the next few days.
But we're done with that.
We're
Well,
done.
yeah,
for
we got a
today.
few days for that, right? Mm-hmm. So, yeah, that's next. Get that sorted out in there.
Yep, and then we'll show you around.
Yeah, when it's a little more
Tight.
hours.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. See ya.
See ya.